frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Okay, hi guys. Welcome to another vlog. I haven't picked up my vlog camera in I don't know how long. I just posted a vlog. So if you guys saw me and Monique's shenanigans in Costco and Giant Tiger, then welcome to this vlog. If you haven't seen it and you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. I'm Megan and basically I just randomly vlog for nothing because why not? I make like little clay earrings and things like that. So today we're gonna have a busy work day of making new items because I really wanna get on top of my game and get new things out for you guys. I've been working on these little like umbrella earrings that I'm obsessed with right now. So I need to film a video of those guys. Oh my gosh, look at this cat. She's crazy. Cool, I just found out. Also, I'm starting my period, so maybe that's why I'm so annoyed right now. Anyways, so since I have no AC in this apartment, I have a portable AC unit. And with a portable AC, can I talk please? Thank you. With a portable AC unit, you need to get like a window attachment. If you know, you know. So I had to order one on Amazon because the one I had doesn't fit the long ass window that I have. And apparently got lost in Amazon, getting a refund, but still, like, why? I live in Ontario, you guys felt the weather recently. It was like summertime, like we were getting summer weather in the middle of April. Like, what? That doesn't happen. It was like 28, 29 degrees, and I was like, I was not prepared for this at all. Like, I did not have my AC unit ready. I did not have anything prepared. Also, there's a fly in here. Happy Monday. Anyways, this is the portable AC unit. Also, this desk is here because I was gonna make it like a makeup area, but I never did because I wanted it to face the window, but it was slightly too long. Hi, Kiwi. Anyways, besides the point, we're gonna worry about that another day. But the AC unit, I've just been using it on like a fan setting because I don't have the window attachment. Also, there's a blanket on it because apparently it makes it quieter because they're really loud. So we're gonna make some green juice. I think I started off my last vlog with my juicing, and I've been doing it for, I'd say, 2 or 3 weeks now, and I don't know if I noticed a difference just because I also started taking my vitamins, which I didn't take daily vitamins. So I started taking that at the same time I started doing this green juice, and I'm noticing a difference from something. I think it's the vitamin. Obviously, drinking any sort of healthy, nutritious vegetable drink is gonna be good for you, especially when you make it clean at home. But I don't know if I noticed like a full, I mean, maybe. I think, maybe. I really don't know. But yeah, we're gonna start this vlog, other than me complaining about life because I'm starting my period. We're gonna juice some vegetables. I got, oh my gosh, I'll show you guys what I bought at the store yesterday. Celery, spinach, cucumber, and ginger. Last time I did half an apple, so I did get a whole apple this time too. Well, I had a whole apple last time, I just cut it in half, you know. This time I got a whole thing of carrots because it was actually super cheap, and I was like, okay, we're gonna try that. So I can honestly just make carrot juice with this whole thing, or I can mix it all together and make like one big juice. I also got parsley because why not? Apparently it has vitamin K in it. I don't know how good vitamin K is, but also she has discovered my desk as her new favorite spot. So I put my cardigan up here and she sleeps here now. Cause she's crazy. She's crazy. Oh, she's looking at the thing attached to my camera. Hi, honey. Do not jump. Don't do it. So she climbs on my chair and she goes up on my desk. So I've had to clear off like all my things. Also, these are the finished strawberry cows. I don't know if I showed you guys. She sometimes tries to bite things, but I've like sprayed her with the water bottle so that she doesn't. So she kind of just sniffs them and then moves on, which is nice. Oh, do you want up? Do you want me to pick you up, honey? Oh. Yeah, I didn't think you were gonna make that. So yeah, she has been so crazy lately, as usual. Nothing new here. Okay, so for the first one, we have parsley, apple, and carrots. So I cut a little piece of celery, like the end bit. So I'm gonna try and regrow the celery. I just don't know where to put it because I don't want Kiwi to drink the water. I'm gonna have to keep it over here. Oh my, it's snowing. It just felt like summer the other day and now it's freaking snowing. Anyways, bottoms up. There's way, I put so much more ginger in this time and oh, you can taste it. Oh my gosh, it's like spicy. I'm also starting to feel my period cramps, so this is just helping so much. Oh my god. Okay, I think the best thing about getting a kitten is the fact that I now have to like extra clean up after myself now that she can get on my desk, which is a good thing. I need to clean up after myself more with all the small little craft pieces that I have, but I'm not used to it. I'm used to creating like a huge mess, but this is better. This is better. Ignore the fact that I have one earring in. I was taking a photo with a pair of studs and now I don't know where the other earring went. Anyways, I just finished the base of all the umbrellas. They look really weird like this because you can't really tell that they're umbrellas. But while I have these out, I thought I would answer a question that I get asked a lot on Instagram, and it's what are these things? Like what I just put it on? What is this? I have long ones. have colored ones, and then I have like a big gray one. They're literally like ceramic tiles. I got them from a website that just was giving out like free sample tiles for like people that are redoing their kitchens and things, and I got free shipping and free like 5 samples, and I used the promo code and got them for free. And yeah, so they're just ceramic tiles. I'm sure you can go to like Home Depot or Lowe's or something and get tiles to work on, but basically you can put it right in the oven like this, which is why I love them.
Honey, where's your chair? No, this is not your chair.
This is her new favorite spot to be. The desk bed. That's her favorite. Anyways, I'm packing these 2 up. I'm gonna pack up the strawberry cows, and then somebody ordered these guys that I gotta ship out as well. And then I'm gonna show you some new products that I've been making that are coming out Thursday. You guys are gonna see this after the launch, so if there are any items still up, hopefully you can still get them on the website. I'm gonna do pre-orders because these items are kind of like, you can wear them when it's not spring as well. Oh, hello. So if you guys want to pre-order the spring items that I'm coming out with Thursday, even though you're gonna see this on Monday, then you can order some. She's crawling on my lap right now. Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, I'm currently having a promotion as well that will still be going on by Monday, that you get free pair of studs. So make sure you, if you're placing an order, you get a free pair of studs. Just because I have so much scrap clay that like, I think making studs is like the best way to get like rid of the clay. I have this, which isn't even half of it. I have all of this, and this goes all the way to the bottom. And I know I have more. I have some in there. I know I have more somewhere, but I don't know where it is. But yeah, like I have so much scrap clay that I need to get rid of. So I'm just like, you know what? Let's just have like a deal that you buy one, get one, or yeah, buy one, get one free. Okay, now Kiwi's like running around. Who said it was playtime again? Let's see. I'll get these ones. These are, and they're all kind of just like mixed up clay colors and just like randomly picked for the order. So unfortunately you don't get to pick your colors, but it'll be a surprise when you order. Okay, I hope I don't get copyrighted because I'm playing music, but I'm just gonna go in this closet so that you can't hear the music. But I just had the idea to add like a colored bead to these umbrella earrings. So I need to find my beads. Also, okay, I don't know if I ever showed you guys this room, but this is like, oh, the light's really weird. This is like my storage room. Probably a reason why I didn't show you this, because it's actually a fucking disaster. My fake nails that I never use because I always end up painting my own because I like painting them. And I think I just found them. And a squishmallow. This, okay, this was so messed up. To Claire's. Ugh. I went to Claire's and I found the Squishmallow, and this was when I was in my crazy Squishmallow era, thinking, oh, it's gonna be like the $7 one. This was $16.99. Hello? Oh my god. But yeah, these are all my beads, and I'm gonna try to find some that look like maybe like raindrops or something.